Clippers and the clampers. So positive clipper and the negative clipper. A positive clipper, a circuit removes the positive parts of the input signal, can be formed by using op amp, which rectifies a diode. The clipping level is determined by the reference voltage Vref, which is should less than the input range and the output amp. The output voltage has the portion of the positive half cycles above Vref clip off. The circuit works as follows. During the positive half cycle of the input, the diode D conducts only the until V in reference. This happens because the V in smaller than the VRF, the output voltage V0 of the op amp. When V in is greater than the VRF, that is equal to greater than the V0, becomes the positive derived D. So this is the circuit diagram for the, this is the connection diagram for the clippers and the clampers. So this diagram, the positive clipper is converted into negative clipper by simply reversing the diode D1. So again, the changing the polarity Vref, the negative clipper clips off the negative part of the input signal between the reference voltage. The diode D1 conducts when V in is greater than negative Vref, and therefore during the period of output voltage V0. The positive and the negative clippers in clampers clampers a predetermined DC level is added to the output voltage. The output clamp to a desired DC level. If the DC level positive, the clamper is positive. If the DC level is negative, the clamper is negative. This is the clamper circuit. So capacitor, the value of the capacitor of these circuits depends on the difference input rates and the pulse width. In both circuits, the DC level added to the output voltage is approximately equal to the VCC by 2. This positive fixed DC level is needed to obtain a maximum undistorted symmetrical sine wave. A peak clamper circuit, which defines the input and output form with the plus voltage reference. This is the peak clamper circuit. Active filters, another important field of an application using op amp. Filters and oscillators. An electric filter is often a frequency selective circuit that passes unspecified band frequencies. Filter may be classified as analog or digital, active or passive, audio or radio frequency. Analog and the digital filters are designed to process analog signals, while digital filters pass the analog signals using digital technique. These commonly for the active and the passive components. Active filters are more economical than the passive filters. This is because of a variety of cheap amplifiers, low pass filters, high pass filters, band pass filters, band reject filters, and all pass filters. Thank you.